all troubles, your back stays nice and dry.
But my bottoms and wobbles,
Just keep
paddling like the clubbers. Just keep paddling with your flappers while seeming to be dreaming. And calm.
just beneath the surface, you may struggle to get by.
But nothing can deter you if you hold your head up high.
That looks much better.
Oh, what did you mean when you said I'm not like my brothers and sisters? What is different?
Well, for one thing, you can swim much better than they can.
Do you really think so? And what else?
You must try to remember, it's what's on the inside that matters, not what we look like. Brothers and sisters, you can do it.
What's marmalade?
It's sort of an orange preserve off the found dog toast.
No! What's marmalade?
Oh my! Ida! I want you to come towards me, love, okay? Very slowly. No sudden moves!
Goodness, what are you quacking about?
There's something big behind you, dear. Something not nice.
This is your son, dear.
No! I've created a monster!
Don't be ridiculous. He's just not your normal run-of-the-mill pond duck, that's all.
That's all! I have a reputation.
I know, and I wouldn't go bragging about it if I were you.
I'm scared of... I tell you, he is definitely a turkey.
He is not a turkey. He loves the water.
Cranberry sauce!
See, he didn't even flinch. Now, I want you all to get spruced up so we can meet the other members of the duckyard and have you educated in the ways of the world. Drake, don't stare at him.
Look at him.
Now then, children, let's not make a fuss.
Look at him.
Are you sure he's really one of us?
Family likeness isn't strong, still you won't poke fun. All of you must get along, he's a special son. Come along now, follow me, but stay close behind at all times, or you may be trodden on. And beware of the cat. grow up once he gets older.
The others are a triumph, my dear. If only I could have produced a brood of my own this year.
Oh, I was so sorry to hear about that, Your Grace. You must miss him terribly.
He was a fine bird, the mandarin. But alas, he became crispy and aromatic before his time. But still, life goes on. I hear Maureen. She saw the children from the farmhouse throwing French bread into the water.
You have to try it. It's much better than usual stuff. Even the crusts are nice.
Maureen, it is delicious. Come on, children, try this.
Big way for the red bandit duck.
Ida, you're really going to have to do something about that honk.
Not for you. The bread is for the normal birds only.
It's not fair. I'm hungry too. Why are you picking on me?